Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the TPM 2.0 error on Valorant. First, confirm that your computer has TPM 2.0. Restart your computer and access the BIOS. After that, enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot in the BIOS settings. Next, save changes and restart your computer. Then verify your BIOS settings and play Valorant as an administrator. Disable Discord, Auto Startup, or any other background apps that may interfere with Valorant. Unsubscribe from Windows Insider program if you're using Windows 11 beta version. Ensure that your motherboard's BIOS or UEFI firmware is up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that improve system compatibility and add new features. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant, including the TPM 2.0 requirement. If your hardware doesn't meet the specifications, upgrading components may be necessary. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Windows updates can sometimes address compatibility issues. If you've confirmed that your system meets the requirements and you're still facing the TPM 2.0 error, consider reaching out to Riot Games support. They may have specific troubleshooting steps or information about the issue. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.